Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on featured integer chats on your Quora app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this picture here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this. And all you have to do now, so just go down here, you click here on settings and you come to settings window here. So then you just click here on email and notifications here, then it's going to take you here in this window, and you come to this window here, you just click here on push notifications and you come here in this window, and all you have to do now, so you just click here on sponsors here, then it's going to take you here in this window, you come here to future digits, you'll click here on this sign, and like you see this color is show for us, that's future just it's on now. I wish now you are get it. That's also thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.